All right, now for number 6. Okay. Let me ask you this question first. Ignore this part. Ignore this part for the moment. For the moment. Okay. Let's look at this. 1/27. What number are you thinking? Thinking about what? Why is it -3? Well, it's 3 to the -3 power. Okay. So that's one thing you can definitely think of. Okay. And then on the left, now, by the way, the number here shows us the fraction as well, using a slash to represent the fraction line, but you should always use a fraction line instead of a slash. Okay. If you use a slash, nothing good comes out from using a slash in math class. Nothing good. So please do not use slash. All right, now, so we have a scenario like this. Okay, we have a scenario like this. And what do we want? We want x by itself, right? I think we did something like this before, but we didn't go too deep into this topic. But again, you want x by itself. What is the exponent at the end for x? Right here. What's the exponent? 1, right? Let me go ahead and put the implicit 1 right here. So the challenge, the real challenge, the real problem for you to solve, okay, the dilemma that you have to resolve here is that you have an exponent at this moment, the one highlighted, that's not 1. How can you make it 1? Okay, again, you have an exponent right here that it's not 1, but how can you make it 1? Okay, so that's the challenge. Any suggestion? How can you make it 1? Ooh, I like that idea. Okay, now, actually, I don't care about this. I just care about this part right here, because all I want is x to the first power at the end. Ooh, I like that idea. So raise to the power on both sides to the power of -4/3. Okay, raise both sides to the power of -4/3. Because in that case, well, we multiply these two exponents, right? And when you multiply these two, you get 1. So the idea right here, which I really want you to get, is not just about the properties, it's the philosophy right here. I don't care what you do, as long as it's legal and you do on both sides. I don't care what you do, as long as you can achieve your end purpose, you're good. So we have x to the first power on the left. On the right, the negative and negative, they cancel each other out. 3 and 3, they cancel each other out. So you have simply 3 to the 4th power, which is what? What's 3 to the 4th power? 81. Okay, so x is equal to 81. Does it make sense? If it does make sense, could you go ahead and turn to the next page and try out number 3?